family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is about our natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, we are attempting to do a wash and go. My hair is 4B, 4C. I can say it is mainly 4C. It's just this front area and this side area that is 4B. But I haven't done a wash and go since we moved here, since we moved from Florida to Atlanta. That's almost 6 months now. But tomorrow I have to take Sonia to the doctor, so I was like, okay, let me just get my hair done for a change. So I'm going to attempt to do a wash and go. The worst that can happen, it would just turn into a big fro, which I don't mind rocking my fro. So to this wash and go, yesterday I already pre-pulled my hair, I shampoo my hair, I deep condition my hair. I use my latest pre-poo treatment. This treatment can be used as a pre-poo, as a leave-in, and as a detangler. And I love the way it felt on my hair. After I pre-poo my hair, I use my black soap shampoo, and then I use my carrot deep condition treatment. So this is the next day. My hair is a little bit dry, and for the wash and go gurus, when you want to do wash and go, it's good to do it on soaking wet hair. So I got a lot of water in here, and most of the time you guys always ask me about this spray bottle. This is from the brand Red Air. I will leave their website link down in the description box. They send this to me free of charge. And then for my gel, I'm using this big papa. I picked this up, and then you guys know we are not going to do a wash and go without us moisturizing our scalp. I'm using my carrot growth oil. If you are interested in this oil, we have some personally in stock. I will leave the website down in the description box. And for now, this is our hot selling growth oil along with the S Secrets growth oil. So this doesn't stay in stock for long. So if you see it in stock, make sure you get a lot of it. So those are the only things I'm going to be using. I'm not making too much, and I got my orange juice because this is going to be a task. 4B4C here, it's not easy getting it to behave. So I got all my ingredients together. Let's just start on our wash and go. So I'm just going to drench this hair in a lot of water. And I love the way I already got it in sections. So I'm just going to work in sections. After getting my hair really drenched in water, I'm just going in with some of my oil on my scalp. Then I'm going to massage that in. And I'm going to pat this section into 2 sections. I need my hair clip. Let me grab those. After that, I'm going in with our leave-in treatment. Just work that in. Go in with a little more water. Gonna go in with a little more leave-in treatment. I'm loving this. just the leave-in treatment is even starting to do something for my hair. Look, it's already separating it. Okay, this looks amazing. I want to be thinking to tangling a lot lately, so I will have a lot of shedding. Really don't want to comb right now. And now let's try the gel. Oops. I'm taking this much of the gel. I think I should have really detangled my hair well instead of just finger detangling. I should have gone in with a comb or a brush so I can have it can be easier for my fingers to just go through it. But it's still working. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more water. Just gonna keep raking until I'm happy with the way my curls are defined. I am not going to do the shrinkly method because that takes way too long. You guys see that? Let me come a little bit closer. All my curls are all just clump and separating on its own. Look at these tiny little curls. Okay, family, so I am loving this. I'm just going to continue doing this all over my hair. You guys already saw the process, and I'll just play some music for you guys. family, I'm finally done. This took a little minute. It did. I took my time and gently rake my fingers through every strand, and I'm loving the way it turned out. I hope it can just dry like this. Yeah, Aurora is on her jumping castle in case you guys hear any noise. So this is how it is looking, and then I'm going to allow it to air dry for about an hour because I have to jump on a call right now. And then, but I'm loving it. I'm loving my wash and go. I'm loving the way every strand of hair is just bouncy. Do you see the bounciness? And I'm gonna go outside and give it a good shake so that it can separate more. And I need a good trim, so I'm also gonna look into getting a good trim. Maybe I'll even just go for a cut, like a bob cut. Yeah, I've been thinking a lot about doing that, but if I decide to do that, I'll let you guys. Hi family, so this is day 4 now. All I've been doing at night is just throw on my bonnet. I didn't do any stretching. I didn't sit under the dryer, nothing. So far, this is how it is looking. It dry really soft, so I knew it wasn't going to last long. So let me just go and stretch it up a little bit because this is looking too bad. And then I'll be right back for us to finalize this video. Actually, there is no fixing with this one. I really thought this wash and go was going to last because I had some very beautiful curls, and it's just shrink up a lot. There is no more curl pattern in it. This gel, it was very soft. Either it's the gel or my technique, I don't know, but yeah, my hair just shrinks up a lot, and there's nothing I can do with it. I'm just going to throw it in a bun, and then tomorrow I will wash my hair because there's no way I can leave my house looking like this. Yes, okay family, so this was another wash and go fill. I wouldn't give up. I would keep trying until I mastered doing a wash and go. I need to maybe tweak my technique a little bit, or go to a professional natural hair salon, let them do a wash and go, and let me just learn few tips from them, and then I can also come and share with you guys. So I'm just going to stick to doing my DIYs. That's what I'm good at, and making some amazing growth oils. But not a wash and go. My hair just not allowing me to do it. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.